But now this is what we're finding, and I think will happen. Their babies got knocked down all over the place because we've been finding some. And the birds are upset because that wind knocked them down. Hey, little one, I would like to keep you. And there goes Mama. So, we found one the other day. And I'm going to put him on that roof so he can get over by the pine trees. Hey, you see him? There's your baby. And hopefully they don't fall in the chicken pen, because I do believe the chickens will kill them. And there he goes. Come on. There you go. Alright. Yeah, you get down here and take care of him. Yeah. There's that baby I just put up. He's hiding. He needs to talk to his mom. And I'll show you another one. There's another one right up there. So I think their babies just got scattered with that wind. This is 2 we picked up off the ground. Annie was hollering at me. She heard me in the hay barn. Well, you're moving fast. I guess they want some hay. They love to eat. I'll go get some. The horses heard them. Don't run them off. They're too loud.